Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs. I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up. Now you saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God.
Welcome back to my channel. Sarabiansymmone here. As you can see, my hair looks a mess, and this is what it looks like at the end of any work week after wearing it in a bun all week. So we're gonna wash it. This is a shampoo and conditioner I use whenever I know I'm gonna silk press my hair. So now I'm gonna take this ion heat protectant and I'm gonna spray this all over my hair. You don't have to worry about spraying too much because this product is super lightweight, and we rather be safe than sorry when it comes down to heat damage. Always detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb before you start to blow dry. So I think the biggest thing when it comes down to blow drying your hair is just making sure that it's completely detangled rather than trying to focus on getting it as straight as possible with the blow dryer. So now I'm taking this Silk Elements polish and I'm gonna apply this all over my hair. As you can see, you do not need a lot of this product because this product will weigh your hair down. So you just want to work that in really good.
So are you down to ride with a bitch like me? Will you come around with a bitch like me? Told you don't play around with a bitch like me, cause I've been around and you've been around. Cause I'ma keep it right for you, baby. I'ma do whatever that you say. Just don't fuck up my swagger that I have.
So we're gonna start by applying some heat to our edges because we definitely want those to be laid.
Not the girl that you used to, making me smile, you're that dude. I sent me out cause we're so cool, yeah, we're so cool. You ask me how it's going. You act like you don't know it. You stalk me on the low key, I like it. You showing up, you showing. Can't say it, don't get lonely.
Yes, edges includes the baby hairs. So what you want to do so you don't burn yourself is pull your hair back and flat iron in that direction. That way you're getting as close as possible without burning yourself.
Will you come around with a bitch like me? Told you don't play around with a bitch like me, cause I've been around and you've been around, yeah. Cause I'ma keep it right for you, baby. I'ma do whatever that you say. Just don't fuck up my swagger that I have. Cause I've been around and you've been around. Cause I'm not the girl that you used to.
If the initial part comes out too big, just make sure you go ahead and repart it.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you.
Take your Rattail comb and comb through your hair. This is just ensuring you have got rid of any small tangles. Now you're going to take your flat irons and do 2 root taps. Basically, we're just passing through the hair halfway. After your root taps, you're going to follow through with the chasing method. You're going to do this twice. And that's all that there is to it.
Have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
Cause you found at the highway. Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs, I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up, now you saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up and took off. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah, should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a fine ass chick, down a ride ass chick. Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Guess you found out the highway that I'm still the shit. Found out the highway, I guess you found out the.
So if you just like a bone straight silk press, here's your endpoint. I know, look at that. Oh. But if you want to add some body, keep watching.
essential. You should've seen my potential. Riding the wheels off the bandwagon. I'm taking that as an insult. And now you want a piece of it. When before you didn't believe a bitch. Can't believe this shit, you must be tweaking. If you think somehow, once I stop peeking, you can't come around. You got me messed up. Gotta go run my checkup. You can't tip then pop back up. I don't know what you thought that it was. And before you blew me off, but now you know you messed up. Now you're lifting the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a finest chick down the line.
So you're basically just wrapping your hair around the flat irons and twisting and then pulling down. So you twist and wrap your hair around at the same time and you just pull down.
You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway.
Take your wide tooth comb and comb through your curls until you have achieved the desired amount of body. And yes, honey, that is how you do your silk press at home.
Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs. I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up. Nice saying I'm the one.
If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below. And I hope to see you all in my next video.
Swear to God.